Do you sometimes find yourself running out of food before the end of the month? Are you tired of your grocery budget just not cutting it? In today's video, I'm going to take you guys along with us on one of our huge monthly grocery hauls. Not only do we save money on essentials, we never run out of food. Let me see what this is. Chicken. This is chicken. Damn, this is something going on.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now.
Very good. Come on now, babe. Usually buy mostly just my meats. I do get other items like snacks and fruits and vegetables. Sometimes depending, because produce I don't usually buy too much in bulk because it will go bad. I usually buy my produce most of the time week by week. And this stuff will last for the entire month. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, ground beef, pork loin strip, some beef stew, 2 bags of shrimp. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 little individual packets. This is chicken wings, chicken thighs, and then chicken legs at the bottom. Johnsonville's maple sausage. There are 3 packs of this, so this will last us throughout the entire month. There's also 3 packs of Wesley Farms. I believe this is BJ's brand bacon. These Elio Pizzas, I don't usually get processed foods, but I am back working now. So sometimes my kids want something quick, like once I come home before, you know, dinner. So we usually eat at 6, but everyone gets home like 4. So sometimes they'll want a snack or something in between. Salmon burgers. These are the Wesley Farms salmon burgers. I've never tried these before. All of this stuff I've had before, but I've never tried these before. 3 packs of ground turkey, sweet potato fries. These are actually for me. My kids got the actual Oreida Golden Crinkle. This is an 8-pound family bag. Pizza rolls. Organic triple braid blend fruit for smoothie bowl. A large thing of mixed vegetable. Organic broccoli florets. This is a 4-pound honey maple ham and some pastrami. And I'm going to show you guys how I break these meats down so that I can put them into my deep freezer here and some of the other stuff in my actual freezer. And then I will show you guys the rest of the stuff that I got. I'll take like some storage Ziploc bags like this, for instance. And I will take, say, these sweet potato fries, and I will dump what I would consider a portion. Can you zip that up for me, Jada? And I get the kids to help me out do this. Jada's right here. Mackenzie went to go hide somewhere.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Normally, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'm a bee in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me that you really know me, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand. I like it. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body if I give you my time. Can you snatch my soul from me? I don't wanna wait. Don't take me where we've been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body.
So this is the freezer that's attached to the refrigerator. So as you can see, I just broke the food down into individual bags. Just put, you know, like, got the chicken wings, shrimp, we got ground turkey, all that. All right, guys, deep freezer is packed to the brim. Same way with the other freezer, we just have the food items. We got them packed and stacked down in there. Bacon, we have everything here. We have their French fries and all of that down in there. So yeah. And this is our produce. Some mandarin oranges. Then we have multicolored mini peppers. 2 cartons of blackberries, a carton of raspberries, some mini cucumbers, a 50-50 mix. That's spinach and mixed greens, some ruby frost apples. We have a taco kit, the bold nacho cheese, 2 bunches of bananas, some red onions, and 2 loaves of bread, 2 packs of cheese, shredded cheese. This actually came together. Some coffee mate, with iced tea, shredded cheese, milk. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. So the only thing that we have left to show you guys are our snacks. All right guys, so this is the last of the last. These are the snacks. These cookies are for me, but Premier Mix. Here in the DMV we call them tater chips. but potato chips. We got some potato chips. We got some popcorners, so I can make me some little lunches and stuff. And we got Milano cookies, Nutri-Grain bars. We got strawberry, blueberry, apple cinnamon, and Trey's picked these out. Scooby-Doo fruit snacks. It's $90 in here. I could just imagine how much that costs. I hope you guys enjoyed our grocery bulk haul. Next week I will be back with our regular weekly shopping haul. So this type of haul I do once a month, and then I will buy what we need week by week. So yeah, I love you guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys shop bulk shopping like I do, or do you go buy your meats and stuff from the regular grocery store? Also, let me know what you guys want to see in the near future, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.